Hello YouTube. It is Burbizuka. Always cold feet? Doctors told what diseases it indicates. It is important to choose the right shoes and clothes. Constantly cold feet can be a harbinger of the development of certain diseases. What exactly this symptom indicates was told by the neurologist Irina Lyaskina. It is necessary to pay attention to cold feet, if they are observed constantly, not only after swimming in cool water or returning from frost. Sometimes the symptom is given by vascular or neurological ailments. These include polyneuropathy, diabetes, kidney or liver problems, Raynaud's disease, etc. As a recommendation, the specialist recommends choosing the right shoes and clothes. In the first case, close options or those made of artificial materials cannot be denied. In addition, useful things will temper the vessels. This effect is a contrast shower or warm bath with sea salt. It is advisable to make changes in the diet, replenishing it with protein foods, legumes and poultry. Vegetables and fruits will not become superfluous. In the cold season, you can take vitamin complexes. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.